Good thing is that you're still with us. So you've been back.
Was it 2010?
No, I couldn't. Couldn't have been.
Set.
So they're sent off now. They were held a little bit long there. And as expected, DeAndre Myers from Wilmer's Boys gets a good start. And looks well on the outside though from Lawrence from Jamaica College. Also striding well. Salke from Raci's High as they hit 200 meters. So it's Salke from Raci's, Lawrence from Jamaica College, and then Myers from Wilmer's Boys, separating themselves from the rest of the field. Lawrence from Jamaica College with a slight advantage. Here comes Myers from Wilmer's Boys on the inside. Salke starting to fade for Raci's. Lawrence looks smooth. He knows the top two short to advance. Myers putting in a little bit more work. Lawrence will come across the line first at 49.99. The flash time comes back at 50.04 for Lawrence, 50.12 for Myers, and then Salke 51 seconds flat. Dwayne Extall called the top three, and they have delivered the top three.
Yeah, delivered the top three, coach.
Yeah, Myers